Hey, what's up, SLP Coin Holder? What's going on this time? The SLP price will pumps up, so I think it's really good news. You can see from last 12 hours, you can see 2.91% SLP will get a profit. I think this is really good news for all of you, my friend. The SLP price will starting pumping and SLP price will starting increasing. Absolutely, if we check out the last 7 days, my friend, you can see here this coin is completely on the loss. You can see here very badly dumps down, and absolutely everybody know this, my friend. So after a dump, every coin will pumps. So therefore you can see after this dump they will absolutely get last 12 hours, so it's gone positive. So therefore I am 100% sure to after this long dump they will pumps up, and therefore I will tell you to the very huge explosion is coming soon. They will completely, my friends, make a record in the upcoming time. They will give you a very 100%, they will 200%, my friends, I am 100% sure that they will give you a profit. But why I will tell you, my friends, to sometime they will fails down, because after a dump every holder, especially short time investor, my friend, are starting investing. But after a jump, absolutely when they were starting moving upward, they are starting investing. But when they were fails down, definitely they are starting selling. So therefore I will notify you to please, this is temporary fails. Absolutely this does not mean to you are starting selling. So I will notify you to don't starting selling. You will need to hold, and absolutely if you are starting holding, then I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to at the end of this month. At the end of this month they will easily give you, my friends, 0.5 USD dollar, if they will just only get a 20 to 30% profit. So this is very easy for you, my friends. But if you are starting holding and if you have any plan to invest more, I think you will need to invest now in those days. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time my friend, SLP price will more pumps and give you a profit. See you next time, holder. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel.